This year, the community of crypto amateurs learned about a new interesting cryptocurrency, SafeMoon. Many began to believe in this currency. Many people have become interested in buying currency. But at the moment there is only one way to do it. You need to install the well-known crypto wallet Trust and transfer Binance COIN there. Exchange Binance COIN in the wallet for Binance Chain. In the Trust wallet, you need to go to Punckakeswap and change Binance Chain to SafeMoon there. Thus more than million SafeMoon coins will already appear on your wallet for $10 or $20. It's up to you to buy SafeMoon or not. Naturally, there are risks and you can lose everything. But you need to understand that each coin started its journey with something. It is enough for you to invest $20 in this coin and wait for what will happen in the long term. Personally, I spent $20 at the beginning of March and that $20 turned into $150. I didn't mind losing that $20. I made the right decision. $20 gave the result and now I have $150. What will happen next? I don't know. Maybe the rate will drop at all and all my money will burn out. This coin is not yet on the exchanges, but I will say that tomorrow, April 5th, is the listing of the coin on the Whitebit exchange. What does it mean? This means that it will be much easier to buy and sell a coin. When a listing occurs, the coin almost always rises in value. I saw that SafeMoon still has plans to get on the Bitmart exchange and then Binance exchange. If the coin appears on the Binance exchange, then you yourself can guess that there will most likely be a powerful takeoff of the coin. You can spare $20 and make a very important investment in your life, but remember that there are always risks. But risking $20 now isn't that scary, so try it if you want to. You can go to the site and read a lot of useful information about the project. There is even a team list on the site. The site has generally changed in design, and this is very good. So my friends, try it at your own risk. Success to everyone. Have a nice day.